How to restart your Print Spooler service in your Windows. Hey everybody! In today's video, we are going to provide you some quick ways to do so in your Windows 11. So let's get started. We can do so by using services. Press Windows plus R. For that, type in services.msc, hit enter, and find Print Spooler here. So go over, type in P, find Print Spooler here, and once we find Print Spooler, we can just go and right click on it. Select the option for restart, and that should do it. If it stopped, you can click on start once again. Another method is using command prompt. Press Windows plus X for that and go to Windows Terminal Admin or Command Prompt Admin, and there just go over, you click on yes, and again just go over and type in net stop spooler to stop it up. So just go over, type in net and space stop spooler to make it stop. Similarly, if you want to start it up, you can type in net start spooler and hit enter and do so after each command. Apart from that, we can use PowerShell. So we can just go over and type in PowerShell, run it as administrator, and there just go over and type in this command, which is restart dash service spooler and hit enter and do so. After that, that should probably work out for you. You can have the admin permission for that, but usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.